A glass full of possibilities. Understanding glass of milk. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a simple yet essential phrase in the English language: glass of milk. This phrase is more than just a combination of words. It's a doorway to understanding daily English conversation and culture. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. A glass of milk seems straightforward, right? But let's break it down. A glass is a container made from glass, often used to hold liquids for drinking. When we say a glass of, we're talking about the liquid that fills the glass, which, in this case, is milk. So, a glass of milk is a glass container filled with milk. Now, how is glass of milk used in everyday English? It's common in various settings, such as at home, in restaurants, or when grocery shopping. If you're at a diner and want some milk to drink, you'd say, "May I have a glass of milk, please?" It's a simple request that shows you're asking for milk in a glass to drink. In many English-speaking cultures, a glass of milk is not just a drink. It's part of a healthy diet, often associated with breakfast or given to children for strong bones. It's also famously paired with cookies as a treat. Understanding this phrase gives insight into these cultural habits. What if it's not milk? The pattern, a glass of, can be filled with any beverage: water, juice, soda, etc. It's a versatile phrase that can help you specify what you want to drink. For instance, a glass of water at a friend's house, or a glass of orange juice at brunch. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, glass of milk. It's a small phrase with big usage in everyday English. Keep practicing phrases like this, and your understanding of English will grow just like strong bones with every glass of milk. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.